Welcome to your Next Ticket Manager onboarding. My name is Alan Bitoon, and I'm your onboarding specialist for Next Ticket Manager. In this video, we'll discuss everything about the Accept button in Next Ticket. The Accept button in Next Ticket Manager serves as a crucial step in ensuring that technicians are actively engaging with the tickets assigned to them. When enabled, this button allows technicians to manually accept the ticket and automatically changes the ticket owner or primary resource of the ticket to that technician and also changes the status to in progress. This simple action provides multiple benefits. Firstly, it creates a clear acknowledgement from the technician that they have taken responsibility for the ticket, reducing the likelihood of tickets being ignored or overlooked. Secondly, enabling the Accept button encourages a more organized and intentional workflow. It helps technicians focus on one ticket at a time, promoting a more systematic approach to resolving issues. And by using this feature, you're not only improving accountability, but also enhancing the overall efficiency of your ticket management process. The Accept button is disabled by default in Next Ticket Manager. To enable it, admins will need to navigate to the Settings section and click on the Accept Ticket Actions tab. This is where admins can activate the Accept button. Once enabled, admins can also specify the status that the Accept button will change the ticket to when it's accepted. For those using ConnectWise Manage PSA, you can override the default in progress status on a per board basis. This gives you the flexibility to set a different status depending on the board or the specific status of the ticket. One key point to keep in mind is that the Accept button, by default, automatically changes the ticket owner or primary resource of the ticket to the technician who clicked Accept. This happens without notifying the original owner or resource. Because of this, the Accept button is disabled by default, as some companies may not want this behavior. It's important to review if this default process aligns with your workflows, or if changes to the behavior should be made before enabling it. After making your changes, be sure to click Save to ensure all your updates are applied and stored. When a technician clicks the Accept button, the Next Ticket Action bot comes into play. As mentioned, by default, this bot performs essential updates like assigning the ticket to the technician and changing the status to in progress or another status of your choice. However, the action bot's behavior can be customized. If your team has specific requirements, like additional fields that need to be updated when a technician accepts a ticket, or if you want to change the default actions, such as keeping the ticket owner unchanged, this is possible through the action bot. But keep in mind, customizing the bot beyond its default settings requires knowledge of REST API. So if you want more advanced functionality, like skipping the ticket owner update or triggering different status changes, you'll need to modify the REST API block. If REST API isn't your area of expertise, don't worry. You can always reach out to our ProServe team for assistance in making the necessary adjustments. To access the Next Ticket Action bot, head to the main Next Ticket Manager screen and select the Bots dropdown. Here, you'll find all available bots for Next Ticket Manager, including the Next Ticket Action bot. Once you've opened the bot, you'll see three switches under the Detail tab. Make sure to turn on the trigger and alert options if you want the bot to start running. For further configuration, go to the Design tab. As you can see, this bot is more advanced than our standard bots. But if you only need to configure the ticket fields the bot will update, focus on the REST API block. The script that controls the bot's actions is found in the body section of the REST API block. And remember, if REST API isn't something you're comfortable with, you can always request help from our ProServe team. And again, After making your changes, be sure to click Finish here and then hit Save to ensure all your updates are applied and stored. And that wraps up our overview of the Accept button. Properly leveraging the Accept button and configuring the Next Ticket Action bot will help you streamline your ticket management process in Next Ticket Manager.